What's up? It is Thursday, April 21st, 2022. Little GTI update, episode 7.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put
So Mk3 Gti, our newest project, got a new Neuspeed air filter. Got that rather than the cleaner kit. The old filter was beat, and then when we took it off, as you could see in the video, it was all hollowed out, and it was K&N replacement filter, so it wasn't even the correct Neuspeed part. So we trashed that, and then we do have the ABD intake tube, so that'll button up all these little vacuum leaks here we got going on. That'll be next. And then we got the G3 mini wind deflectors made in Italy. Pretty cool, kind of rare. They look good. Neuspeed DTM tips. So now we're gonna get to the real fun. Got a couple cool things coming up. Just got it out of the shop from an oil change. Got a fresh Bosch oil filter on there, and some Castrol.